Choosing the right pickup just got more complicated with the added options brought by the rise of the compact class, but don't worry, things will feel a lot simpler after watching this video. These are 8 pickup trucks that you can buy with your eyes closed in 2025. Number 8. Honda Ridgeline. Unlike traditional body-on-frame trucks, the Ridgeline's unibody construction delivers a smoother car-like ride while still offering impressive utility. With a 3.5-liter V6 engine delivering 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, this truck has the muscle to tow 5,000 pounds. This highlights Honda's emphasis on performance over heavy-duty capabilities. Even so, the Ridgeline specs are more than sufficient for everyday tasks like hauling gear or groceries. The best thing about this midsize pickup is its reliability. The engine is bulletproof, and we hope Honda won't downgrade its V6 to a Turbo 4 anytime soon. Inside, the Ridgeline is very practical thanks to its spacious cabin packed with a user-friendly infotainment system, advanced safety features, and high-quality materials. An 8-inch touchscreen takes the central position and offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Honda Sensing package is standard with adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and collision mitigation braking. The new Ridgeline also ventures into the off-road world with a Trail Sport package. It's not a Ford Raptor, but the hardware such as stiffer springs, special dampers, anti-roll bars, and all-terrain tires make it a capable off-roader. Number 7. Ram 3500. The legendary Cummins engine sets the gold standard in the heavy-duty class. Whether you opt for the standard 6.7-liter turbo diesel or the high-output version, you'll be getting an engine that's built to handle the toughest jobs. The beefed-up model increases its torque to 1,075 pound-feet, giving the Ram 3500 a towing capacity of up to 36,610 pounds. This isn't class-leading output, but the Cummins engine will last, and it doesn't require frequent repairs. The Ram 3500 isn't just about raw power. Advanced technology packed with the truck makes towing and driving easier. Uconnect 5 is a state-of-the-art infotainment system that features a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen with intuitive controls as well as a passenger display. A 360-degree trailer view, integrated trailer brake controls, and adaptive cruise control with trailer-specific settings will help with towing. Multiple trim levels, cab configurations, and bed lengths will let you configure the Ram 3500 for your needs. From the tradesman starting at $46,570 to the limited grade that could surpass $90,000, the heavy-duty truck offers a version every driver can easily choose with their eyes closed. Number 6. Toyota Tundra. Early troubles of the latest generation of Toyota Tundra have been solved, and the truck is ready to shine again this year. Enthusiasts question the capabilities of the new V6 twin-turbo engine as a successor to the trusty V8. But you get extra power, more miles per gallon, and improved towing capacity. The new Tundra can haul 12,000 pounds, and the truck sprints 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds, much faster than some light sedans. But Toyota takes things a step further with its hybrid model, the iForce Max. Combining the turbocharged V6 with electric motor assistance, this powertrain delivers even more torque, 583 pound-feet, enhanced fuel efficiency up to 22 mpg combined, and punchier acceleration, 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds. Nevertheless, hybrids are not built to tow, and the Tundra iForce Max is a good example, with a capacity dropping to 11,450 pounds, which is still a respectable figure. The new capstone package takes the luxury to a new level, with semi-aniline leather seats, real wood trim, a massive panoramic sunroof, and a 14-inch infotainment screen. If off-roading is your game, the truck delivers with a TRD Pro grade. Fans wish for the Trailhunter package, but it's not on the Tundra's menu this year. Number 5. Ford F350 Super Duty. One of the safest buys this year is the F350. If you're willing to spend at least $46,595, you'll need to add more to get the maximum towing capacity that hits an incredible 40,000 pounds. For that, the Power Stroke diesel is required and a few other special upgrades. But Ford also offers 2 petrol engine options, 7.3-liter V8 and a 6.8-liter V8. These units won't tow as much as the turbo diesel, but the torque and horsepower outputs are equally impressive for the gasoline world. All 3 powertrains are extremely reliable, and owners rarely complain about malfunctions. The Ford F350 also offers great versatility with a regular cab and 8-foot bed configuration available in both XL and XLT models. Luxury seekers prefer the King Ranch with premium leather upholstery, unique details, and high-tech features. The special off-road Tremor package is something closest to the Raptor edition in the heavy-duty segment. Number 4. Chevrolet Silverado 1500. A wide variety of powertrain options is a selling point. General Motors wants to offer a configuration for every type of trucker, ranging from Turbo 4 engines to proven V8s. Speaking of big rigs, the 6.2-liter mill is particularly impressive not only because of its legendary reliability, but also the outstanding performance. Buyers of the Silverado 1500 are getting 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. Converted to towing capacity, that is 13,300 pounds. With a 6.2-liter unit, the truck sprints to 60 miles per hour in just 5.4 seconds. The advanced suspension setup, additional skid plates, and aggressive cosmetic touches are making the ZR2 a conqueror of challenging terrains. Still, this is the high-end option, while the starting price of just $38,995 makes the Silverado 1500 a valuable and smart buy that you can do blindfolded. Number 3. Ford Maverick. Offering a unique combination of practicality, efficiency, and capability, the Ford Maverick instantly became a game-changer in the pickup truck market. More and more buyers are turning to this vehicle since these characteristics are hard to ignore. The Maverick's making a huge difference with a hybrid powertrain that returns 40 mpg in the city. If you're looking for outstanding fuel efficiency, this is a top choice in the entire pickup truck market. Ford didn't skimp on towing capacity. Opting for the 4K tow package, you're getting 4,000 pounds of hauling potential. Hybrid won't be the only configuration. The Maverick is also offering a potent Turbo 4 engine with 250 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque for those buyers seeking enhanced driving impressions. From there, they can enjoy off-road adventures by adding the Tremor package's suspension, skid plates, and all-terrain tires. Such a small truck offers big off-road potential. With a starting price of just $26,395, the Ford Maverick is the most affordable truck on this list, but not everything's about price, and the next model proves that performance plays a major role. Number 2. Nissan Frontier. With Nissan sticking to its reliable V6 engine, the Frontier offers something many of its rivals have moved away from, opting for turbocharged 4-cylinder units instead. This decision has paid off as customers appreciate the smooth power of a V6, and the result is an increase in sales. This year, the Frontier also sees an upgrade in its towing capacity at 7,150 pounds, making it a true contender in its class. The payload stays at 1,620 pounds. Highlights of the exterior refresh are the revised grille and front bumper. The new Frontier looks more aggressive right from the base model. Updated wheels on the Pro X and Pro 4X models enhance the rugged appeal. A small detail can be very decisive, such as a paint job. Bold new colors like Afterburn Orange will make the Frontier stand out and turn heads. The revisit isn't only limited to the exterior, but also the interior, where you'll find a larger 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, now standard with wireless Android Auto. The new 360-degree exterior camera system offers greater visibility and boosts overall safety. The price ranges from $30,510 for the entry-level S version to nearly $50,000 for the loaded SL, where 4x4 and crew cab are included. Regular cab is unavailable, but even with this option, the Frontier couldn't hold a candle to the top truck that you can buy with your eyes closed. Number 1. Ford F-150. This position has been cemented in the past few years. The Ford F-150 is the best pickup truck without any doubt. A wide range of powerful engine options is available. It leads the class in towing capabilities. The company packs it with modern tech features. There are a ton of customization choices, reaching the pinnacle with Raptor R. In short, the F-150 truly covers all bases. After skipping its 2.7-liter V6, we can say that the fun really starts with its 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, and things are only getting better with the mighty 5-liter V8. A hybrid powertrain's also there, but this is not a classic hybrid that you'd expect to add a massive mileage boost. For the truck, torque matters more, and the power boost setup is delivering 570 pound-feet. The Ford F-150 also shines when it comes to towing, no matter what configuration you choose. 14,000 pounds is the max that you can get, and even the hybrid impresses with 13,500 pounds. An advanced towing system, including Pro Trailer Backup Assist, ensures easy maneuverability in large trailers. The maximum payload of 2,445 pounds is also a class-leading figure, and the Pro Access tailgate further enhances convenience, making loading and unloading gear, tools, and equipment easier than ever. The user-friendly interior with Ford's Sync 4 system ensures that drivers stay connected with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and cloud-based navigation. The Raptor R is the crown jewel of the lineup, with its crazy performance coming from a supercharged V8 engine. The truck churns out 700 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque, making any on- and off-road challenge a breeze. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.